In this class, we're going to be using an oral, motor, visual, and auditory feedback system that's going to help your child to understand the identity, number, and order of sounds that are in words. The oral motor activities require the students to identify actions of the lips, teeth, and tongue when producing these sounds. Also, we will be feeling our throat to help us to distinguish a noisy and quiet letter sound. As you can see, these are some of the mouth pictures. And again, we're going to be talking about the position of the lips, teeth, and tongue when we're making these sounds. Visual activities require the use of a mirror, such as determining the need for a letter in a word based again on the position of the teeth, tongue, or lips when making that sound. As you can see, that's going to be a big focus. When we're building words, we're going to build the words with mouth pictures, and then it's going to strengthen our phonemic awareness. This helps students to hear and identify the small differences in sounds, which improves spelling and reading. We're also going to be looking at the 6 types of syllables. We will be building words with manipulatives, also looking at prefixes, Latin roots, and suffixes, and using all of this wonderful information to decode and read text. The reading routines. Every day, bring to class your reading binder, your independent reading book, and of course, your agenda book. Every day, we'll be prepared to follow the CATS code, and that is across the board at MMS. How can you earn a passing grade? This also pertains to the CATS code. You're going to follow directions, complete class and remote work, ask for help, and do your personal best. You will notice that this class is pass-fail, so we're going to be looking for that P on the report card. All right, guys, we're going to team together this year and make it the best year yet. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to email me at any time. Take care.